Hello and welcome once again to Computer Programming in C++. Today we're going to try to tackle the difficult issue of pointers. Here's the basic idea. A variable in C++ holds a memory location. There's a specific spot in your computer's memory where you can find where that variable is stored. The pointer tells you where that is. Let's demonstrate with a different idea. I could have a variable that is my name, and my name is Mr. Heggie, and then the address would be, where do you find Mr. Heggie? Oh, you find him at 11235 Fibonacci Way. By the way, don't try to actually find me there. That is false information. But I have a name and I have an address. So there's information in the variable, and then there's the location of the variable itself. They are two separate things, and we can actually work with the two separately. That's the fundamental idea behind pointers in C++. Let's look at a quick example here. This program does not have any pointers in it yet, but a little example program. I have int num, that's a variable being declared. It gets stored the value of 25, and then we print out the value of the variable. Just to try it out, we will run this. See, it printed out the number is 25. No surprises there. Now, let's think about the address. There is, without creating a pointer variable, there is a way to access addresses already built into C++. It's the address of operator, which is a fancy name for the ampersand. So this should print out the address of the variable num. Let's try it. Look at this. Now, it's written in sort of computerese. You have a bit of a hexadecimal number. I'm not going to worry about reading that. Usually when we're working with pointers, we don't actually have to go into the computer and find a specific physical location that corresponds to that address. The computer is doing it for us. But it gives us the location of that variable. What we can do is we can create a pointer. The pointer will actually point to that spot in memory. It's like it's saying to the variable, I know where you live. And it just points at it. So here's what I'm going to do. And num, now I put an asterisk here before num. I need the data type to match the data type of the variable I'm at, but once you put that asterisk in front, you're not creating a regular variable, you're creating a pointer variable. And I'm going to link up that pointer to the specific variable. Actually, I'm going to make a small change here. I do not want to match up those names. I think that is going to cause problems and be confusing. Those do not need to be the same. Small change. All right, now I'm going to link a pointer to the variable num. As I'm doing so, I do not need the asterisk again. We already know it's a pointer. We're going to say the pointer is the address of num. Use that address of operator. I'll put that in the comments here so you can see. Sign pointer, address of num. All right, let's try this. And what I'm going to do here is, instead of printing out the address of operator, I'm going to use the pointer. Oh, I should actually change this text. I didn't do it last time. It's good enough. I'll keep going, but we'll fix that now. There we go. The number is 25. The address is this. Now, I want to point out something. We can actually access the information in num indirectly with the pointer. This is actually how pointers will be used in a variety of ways in programming. Here it's a little complicated for what we want to do, but you can access the value stored in a variable by putting that asterisk in front of the pointer. And it does the opposite of the address of operator. It's a good way to think about it. It's like the reverse action. And then it prints that out. Essentially, so we're looking at two ways here. We have the variable num, it can hold information, and we have a pointer variable which says where to find that information. But you can treat the pointer variable like it was the variable itself if you put an asterisk in front of it. Gives us a lot of power, and this is how pointers get used. It allows a programmer to indirectly access a variable and change it. Go back to your work with functions and think about how handy that can be. I also want you to be aware that really every time you've worked with an array, you have really been working with a special kind of pointer. And I will leave it at that. Have a good day.